Alright guys, so here is my sketchbook. Here are my markers, my pencil box and more markers. Let's get straight into the video. So the first idea didn't work. I'm going to draw a square now and I find it so boring and it's not working. Let me draw some characters, but nah, it's just... So I have ended up with doing nothing. Bye.
Whoa!
So what's up guys, again I bought a new piece of paper today to draw something really big. Oh no, wait, I just realized that I got a blank piece of paper before it was finished. Alright guys, so now I think it's just 10:30 in the morning. I'm thinking to draw something, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so finally done. It's just realized it's 12 a.m. in the... it's just midnight. So guys, today I'm going to color this drawing I already made a few months ago. Oh,
no, 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 no.